Hello, Griffin families. Happy October. Now that we're officially into fall, we are now over a month into the school year. Our students are all settling in, as I'm sure you're noticing at home as well. I just wanted to send out this video communication. I know Miss Melgren sent out two over the summer. I'm sending one out now. And what Miss Melgren and I are attempting to do is we're trying to send out a form of communication that's not an email, it's not in the eagle eyes. It's a nice video way for us to communicate with you all, which we know was appreciated over the summertime as an alternative way of communicating information. You know, as we approach the second month of school, as I said, we're seeing students settle in, and it's been a good settling in. Two of our priorities this year for the School of Grammar match up with our Eagle Ridge Academy mission statement. It's honorable character and it's academic achievement. You know, the two things that we are really striving to uphold here, both in the School of Grammar individually, but also in Eagle Ridge Academy as a whole. And what I'm seeing with honorable character is I'm seeing a lot of improvement from last year and even from the first week in August when they came in, is the expectations are holding and the students are holding each other accountable. You know, they're pointing out when something might need improved, but I'm also noticing our students are pointing out when their classmates are doing something that's really good, which I love to see, because our students love when their teachers give them compliments, but they really also love and are motivated by when their peers, when their friends give them compliments as well when they show CIPHER, which for those of you who might not know what CIPHER means, there are school values: citizenship, integrity, perseverance, honor, excellence, and respect. We recently had our first CIPHER assembly, which historically were done by Miss Malgren and myself. This year, they're being done by Miss Toso and Miss Marwa, the two classical enrichment teachers. And Miss Toso gave our students a CIPHER challenge, which is not only to live up to CIPHER, but also to point out when somebody's living up to CIPHER. So whenever you see a classmate or a peer, show honor, show excellence, show respect, you know, to mention them to the teacher, to themselves, you know, so we become a community that is collectively showing CIPHER and living out that honorable character priority that we have here at Eagle Ridge Academy. Okay. So whenever you talk to your students at home about how, you know, how's school going, ask them about CIPHER, ask them about the CIPHER challenge, ask them about, you know, what do they think honorable character is looking like this year? Because we're seeing a lot of good things, and we hope the students are feeling a lot of good things because they're putting in a lot of hard work, and I appreciate that a lot. One change I wanted to address is regarding morning drop-off. So our school begins at 8 o'clock. That's when class begins. Drop-off starts at 7:30. And our doors used to lock at 8:10. They are now locking at 8 o'clock on the dot. So if your student arrives after 8 o'clock, you'll have to bring them in to sign them into the office, just as we would expect at any other point during the school day, which is a little bit of a change because you used to be able to just kind of send them in until 8:10. Well, now the door is going to be locked, so they'll have to be accompanied in by a parent or guardian, whoever drops them off, so they can be signed in. Okay. If there's any questions about that, please let me know, let Ms. Malgren know, okay, so we can answer your questions or address any concerns or anything that might come up about that change for morning arrival. Okay. Please have a great day. Know that we always welcome your feedback, your communication. Let us know how we can better support you, support your child, as we attempt to have them reach their highest potential, which is our goal here at Eagle Ridge Academy. Have a great day, everybody.